Gizambote. Evomututala una tutondele. Welcome, thank you for being there. We are going to learn in Congo, the language of Congo Kingdom. Thank you very much. I'm going to we're going to talk to we're going to say hello to our brother and sister, brothers and sisters. Um, let's start with Nengwa Louise. Yambote Nengwa Louise.
Chiambo te tata in panzu.
Nona mavimpi, eh?
Ingeta, tu na mavimpi, tu tondele.
Tutondele. Yambote Tata Davidi. Kikongo pronunciation, Tata Davidi.
Yeah, Kiambote.
Nona mavimpi, eh?
Unavimpi. Ingeta. Unavimpi.
Tutondele ngeta, tutondele. Tata Emeka. Kiambote.
Kiambote,
Nona mavimpi, eh?
Ingeta, Mavimpi, Tuna Mavimpi,
Tutondele. Nengwa Rachel. Kiambote.
Kiambote, Ngeta, Tuna,
Nona mavimpi, eh? Ingeta tuna mavimpi.
Ingeta, Tuna Mavimpi, Tutondele.
Tutondele. Mama petondele. Well done, see? Tutondele. Okay. We're going to revise. I mean, it's lesson 4, 2, section 5. Later on, we're going back to other previous lessons to help our brothers, Nengwa, Rachel, and Tata Emeka to catch up. Give me 1 minute. I need to share my screen. Screen. Well done. You done well. Yes. Well done. Where's in my screen? There. This is yes. Okay. Tata David is going to help us to read. As usual, I always read because we say in Kikongo, utokozi makiambi, meaning Tata David, remember?
Yeah, that ingratitude is bad.
Thank you very much. Well done. That's why in our tradition, common tradition, I can't say it live, but we always say thank you. If you don't say thank you, it's rude. When I mean thank you, I don't mean it thank you in Western way. Just thank you. Thank you. No. That's why we keep. This is now a tradition. We always read this because this is why we say thank you to people that wrote this document. This is course for us benefit.
Congo language. Yeah, forgive me. Ingeta. Congo language course. Malongi Maki Congo Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Joao Makondekwa.
Well done.
Joan Hazel Carter, February 22nd, 1928 to March 8th, 2016. Received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, Kikongo language, at the African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Tutonde Tata David in Kikongo. Nengwa Louise, can you help us? I'm sorry. It's not okay. It's the Nengwa Louise, please.
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Thank you. These are not my words. These are Professor Hazel Carter's words. Nengwa Russia, can you read for us, please?
In 2001, Professor Hazel Carter received the Distinguished Services Award from the African Language Teachers Association.
Okay. Now you understand where you're coming from. So you are learning from original stuff, you know.
Ngeta.
Organic, not corrupt. Let us just catch up, go quickly. Okay. Nengwa Louise, please.
Malavu nusinga sumbe.
Mhm.
Is it palm wine you're going to buy? Ve ketusinga sumba malavuko. No, we are not going to buy any palm wine.
Oh, thank you very much, sister. Tutondele, Nengwa Louise. Sumba, long vowel. We never see double. It is long vowel. We don't write like this. This is just for phonetic spelling. Thank you. Tata Davidi.
Madya Musinga Lambe, is it food you're going to cook? Ve. Ketusinga Lamba Madyuko.
Tutondele.
No, we're not going to cook any food.
Thank you, Tutondele. Nengwa Rachel. Wait a minute, I'm going to help you. This is a bit hard. Kingelezo. See the long vowel.
Sim.
Kingelezo. Nusinga vove.
Kingelezo. Msinga. Volve. Is it English you are going to speak? Ve. Ketusinga. Vova. Kingelezo ko. No, we are not going to speak any English.
Thank you very much. Tutondele.
Get that?
Tata Emeka.
Mbazi Nusinga Vutukwe.
Bazi Nusinga Vutuke.
Vutuke. Is it tomorrow you are going to return? Ve Ketusinga Vutuka Mbaziko. We are not going to return tomorrow.
Tutondele. Tata Davidi.
Nkanda Musinga Tiange, is it a book or a letter you're going to read? Ve. Ketusinga Tianga Kandako. No, we're not going to read any book or letter.
Nkanda Nusinga Tange. Ve. Ketusinga Tanga Nkanda ko. Tutondele tata. Tata Emeka.
Salu Nusinga Wange.
Vange.
I'm sorry, Vange.
No problem.
Is it work you are going to do? Ve Ketusinga Vanga Saluko.
Well done. Singa Vanga said, well done.
We are not going to do any work.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Nengwa Russia. Nkanda.
Nkanda. Nsinga. Soneke. Nkanda Nusinga. Soneke. Is it a letter, rather a book, you are going to write? Ve. Ketusinga. Soneke Nkanda ko. No, we are not going to write any letter or book.
Thank you. Ve Ketusinga Soneka. Ka Ganda ko. Tutondele. Nengwa Louise.
Akundi nusinga mone. Is it friends you are going to see? Ve ketusinga mona akundiko.
Oh,
no, we are not going to see any friends.
Tata Davidi.
Bizi Musinga Jie, is it meat you're going to eat? Ve Ketusinga Jia Mbiziko. we're not going to eat any meat.
Thank you very much. Any questions before I move to? I need to do go back to help our brother to try to catch up, brother and sister to try to catch up. Any question? Are we okay? Okay. Let me just try to move to Tata David. This name was Louise. I think we've done before. We're just going back to. Oh, where is it? Hang on. I lost my phone. Give me 1 minute. Okay. No, I lost my phone. Give me 1 minute. Yes, we're here. We're going to adjectives. Adjectives. This is mainly for brother Emeka and sister. Yes. Here we are. Brother Emeka, can you read for us, please?
Adjectives in Bantu languages are called relative.
Thank you. Let's just move to the next one.
Adjectives in Bantu languages are called relative because exactly from a grammatical point of view, they always agree with the nouns they modify. For example, kiaki, kinkutu, kiaku, kiambwaki, kiambote, mbote.
Wow, I'm very impressed now. Wow, good reading. Wow, it is in the blood. No? Carry on, please.
As you can see, the noun is kinkutu. All other words are ki in agreement.
Is it clear about Sister Nengo Rachel? You know? This is Bantu, this is our concept, yeah? This is our own way of thinking. Kia kiki kutu kiaku, kiambwaki, kiambote mbote.
Adjectives in Bantu languages are called relative because exactly, from a grammatical point of view, they always agree with the nouns they modify. For example, kiaki,
Kikutu.
kinkutu kiaku,
Kiambwaki.
kiambwaki, kiambote mbote. As you can see, the noun is kinkutu. All other are ki in agreement.
Okay, Kikutu, your shirt. Your white shirt. No, sorry, white no. Mwaki red. Your red shirt is very nice. Mbote means nice, but mbote means just to underline.
Extra nice.
Yeah. Oh, wow, well done.
Matando.
Nengo Louise.
All these words in the analysis of Bantu languages are called relative.
Thank you, Tutondele. Tata Davidi.
Its equivalence in the classification of Indo-European languages would be as follows. Kiaki is demonstrative. Kiaku is possessive. Kiambwaki is adjective denoting color. And kiambote mbote is adjective qualifying opinion in the superlative.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay, let me just read for you. When I put this, I mean the accent, I mean long vowel. Meno meno, mia pembe, mia mbote mbote. Meno, you, second person, you, plural, many. Meno. Brother David, do you remember meno? Is the plural?
Tooth or teeth, right?
Oh, you're right. You're right. Yeah, very good. Tooth, one. I mean, tooth singular. Teeth,
So
meno.
your teeth,
Mm.
right, are
Your white teeth.
your white your teeth are white and beautiful.
Very good.
You got
Okay,
a
thank you very much.
mouthful of beautiful teeth.
Thank you very much. So let's go to another. Brother Emeka, any question on this one?
No, are you saying that because I see two menos here, so it said meno and then meno. Is that singular and plural?
You I mean, basically, let me just read it literally. Thief, yours. Mm. This is yours, yeah. Your
Okay.
thief, thief of yours or yours, your thief. Mm.
Okay.
Did I answer the question?
Yeah. So it's your teeth, right?
Yeah, yeah. This guy with meno. As I said, I mean meno. You, many. You, second person.
Okay.
Second plural.
Okay.
Yours. Let me just go to. You understand now? This one is not easy to understand, but the next one will help us. Yeah, okay, this one. Because this one is the application. I'm going to give you some tests. I think Brother David will pass the test.
Get that.
Okay. Nengora share, please.
Pronouns in English sense do not exist in Kikongo language.
Yes.
We call them possessives.
Yes, you understand soon because when keep in mind this is very important because the way you're going to use sometimes personal pronoun becomes something else. See, becomes adjective, but you're going to understand soon.
So to ask a question, the pronouns in English are I, you, we, he, she, it, we, they.
Yeah, pronoun, personal. Yeah, personal. Don't worry about don't. You need to think.
Okay.
You don't go to think in Kikongo, so don't worry about it.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Get that. Okay.
you will need to speak. You need to speak speak in Kikongo. It will be easy. Okay. Tata Mika, please.
The possessives ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, and au.
Au.
Prefixes ki, di, is it yi or ya?
And why? Yeah.
Okay, z and m, etc. They are many. These are the most used.
Okay. Please, you need to get this. You need to memorize, please. Brother David, I'm going to give her the equivalent in English. Brother David, please.
Read once again.
No. Sorry, just to give a translation equivalent in English.
Ame is my. Aku is you, singular.
Yours.
Yeah, yours rather. Andi is
his.
Yours, plural.
Andi third person.
Eto
singular.
is what, theirs?
Let's go back. First, second, then go
okay.
to third singular. Third singular. He, hers, his. Yes.
Right.
This one. Then eto first plural.
Eto. Yeah. Theirs, right?
No, eto.
Ours. Okay. Eno is
yours.
Theirs.
Eno yours. Au theirs.
Right. That's right.
Sister Rachel, are you with me?
Yes.
Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au, Yeah, brother Emeka. It's okay, yes.
Yes.
You're going to send the next slide of it. But you need to remember, you need to memorize. No choice, there's no other way.
Yes.
Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, ao. We just
Okay.
call it, we don't call it pronoun as such because the way it's used is not as in English language.
Okay. Can you go over them one more time and say which one what each one means again?
Okay. Basically, 1, 2, 3. Free singular. Hmm?
Okay.
Mine, yours singular. Hers, his.
Okay.
Mine, yours singular.
Mhm.
Hers, his, yeah, Andy.
Okay.
Eto, ours. Eno, yours, many. Second plural. Au, theirs.
Okay.
You're going to understand this, so don't worry. But
Don't-
we need to memorize. Okay, can I move on to the next one slide?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, this is, let me just go back. These are prefixes. They must use, there are many. Ki, I'm reading Gikong, I'm not reading English. Ki, D, Y, Z, M. These are the most used, but when you go here, very, very good explanation. The prefix depends on the nominal class of the object owned. Don't worry, brother Chemical, you understand this soon.
All right.
Just remember, Ame, Aku. Okay, here we are. Ame. Okay, I'm starting first. Ame, then followed Sister Louise,
Aku,
Brother David, Andy, Andy, second, third, then first, plural, Eto is there on screen. Yeah. Eto, you don't need to worry about Sister Rasha is there. Eto, Eno, yours many, Au, okay. Nzo means, it's here in English. Nzo, houses. Yeah, plural. Okay, house, yes. So many houses, okay. So houses, plural, houses. Okay. If I want to say my, no, in this case would be ours. Oh, our houses. Dr. David, please, in Kikongo.
Mezzo.
We have Sister Louise, please. We have, let me just go back for you to understand. These are prefix. Here we have a Z. Sorry, brother David, you're right, but in this case is special because the N here is just for the tonality. The first letter we take is Z. So, Nzo, Zeto.
So it would just become Zeto.
Exactly, well done, yeah. Nengwa Luis, Mambu.
Mambueto,
Mambu Meto.
Mambu Meto.
Use the first. This exception because N here just for the tone, but the letter is Z. We're taking it. Nengwa Rashid, can you try? Be brave. This is the prefix. Basically, that's why we say that it's not the same way we use in English as a pronoun, but because the first letter, it this one depends on the first letter of the word. Possessive. Let's call it possessive.
And by the way, I do see that there is an A at the end of Yuma. So does that become essentially a liaison where we swallow the A and say Yumaeto?
Clever, but okay, we're going there later.
But
Right now, we want to. Yeah, you're right. You're using Y, then Yuma Yeto.
Oh, excuse me. So I bring in an extra letter that's not.
No, no extra letter. Use the first letter here. Yeto.
Oh, okay.
Brother Emeka, are you okay?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. This is special. Z here is special because N is not there. N is there just for the tonality. Because nasal, nzo. But the letter we take into account is Z. So nzozeto. This is M first letter. Mambumeto. First letter Yumayeto. Nengwa Louise, I know you are there. This one.
Okay.
Disa.
Disa Deto.
Well done, Disa Dieto. Well done. You're right. Well done. We don't say Disa Deto. We say Disa Dieto. This is language. Okay. Here, Nzimbu. Remember the first rule here. Tata Emeka. Forget about N because just tonality. Nzimbu.
Nzimbu Zeto.
Well done. A lot of money, see. Nzimbu Zeto. Okay, is it fine? Can I go back? Oh, is it clear? I can just okay. Let me just move to the next slide. See what have you got there? Okay, that's a good test. If you pass this test, that's it. You know what you're doing. Remember the same logic, same Kikongo concept. Basically, your let's call it pronoun depend on the word. Yes, the first letter, subject, the letter affect your pronoun, possessive. In this case, we call it possessive. Let's say let's say English was Kikongo language. Let's think in Congo. Yeah, we are thinking in Congo here. Butter is mine. Butter is mine. We're going to change mine. Remember, mine is going to change depending on the, you know what, the word.
So it'd be like bine.
Well done. Yes, brother Emeka. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Sister Nengwa Rachel. Yes. No. Not
Yeah.
yet. Okay, your turn now. Nengwa Rachel. Kitchen is mine. Kitchen is
kind.
Well done. Yeah, see? You done it. Well done. Yeah. Yeah. Just remember ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, ao. If you visit our website, everything is there on our website, malengimagigo.com.
Okay.
Yes. One more revision quickly. Numbers. Saturday V. Units, are you able to count, please?
It's not there yet.
You still have that prefix slide up.
I'm not putting it. No. I'm testing.
Oh.
Then we'll read unit, please.
Okay. Mavala.
Pavala. Well, good. Pavala.
Pavala. Mosi. Zole. Tatu.
Ya.
Tanu.
Who can help?
Sambanu.
Sambanu.
Sambanu. Sambadia.
Then,
Na
na.
na
Hmm?
voa kumi.
Yay! Well done. Okay. Brother David, you are there. Your turn is coming soon. Okay. Nengwa Russia, can you read first, please?
C. Mpavala,
Hmm.
0. Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu,
Samba. Hmm.
Nsamboadia,
Yes, that's somebody.
Nana,
Hmm.
Vua,
Voix. Hmm.
Voa,
Hmm.
Kumi,
Kumi. Yeah. Well done. Tata Mika, please.
Mpavala,
Hmm.
Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambuadia, Nana, Voa, Kumi.
Yeah, well done. In terms of number, you just need to remember, you need to memorize your units. That's fine because you don't need to worry about because it keeps repeating. I'm going to show you the next slide. Kavala Mosi Zole Tatu Ya Tanu. Sister Louise, have you noticed something in my pronunciation? Have you noticed something?
If I notice something with your pronunciation,
Yeah, remember long,
you
yeah?
do it too fast. Like,
Okay, let me try go. Okay, slowly now. But I need you to get something. You tell me when it's long vowel, yes?
yeah, that's what I mean. Sorry, that's what I mean. Like it wasn't, you didn't like spread it out like long, like it was, you're
Okay,
saying it
okay.
fast. Yeah, like short. Yeah.
Well done, okay.
Mm-hmm.
You tell me when it's long vowel. Havala, Mosi. Is it long or short?
It's long.
Zole.
Mm-hmm. Tatu.
Ya,
Yeah.
Tanu,
Tanu.
Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Voix, Kumi. Okay, let us move to tens. Tens. Kumi up to 60. It is, you have a prefix maku. Maku repeating, yeah? Itself. Nengwa. Russia, can you read first, please?
Kumi,
Makumole.
sorry,
Makumole.
Makumole, Makumatatu, Makumaya,
Makumaya.
Makumatanu,
Masambanu.
Masambonu.
Okay. Here we just said this is Zole. Mole ma Zole. We get one there. Then si Tatu. Free. Ya. Tanu.
Yes.
Sambanu.
Yes.
We just stop at 60. We are going to do exercise now. Nengwa. We use tens, then ye, then we go to the units. Tens, ye, then units. This is how we say, Sister Rachel, please. 22. How do I say 22?
So I presume it's Maku Mole Ye.
Yes, ye. Zole.
So it's Maku. You said Maku Mole or Maku Zole Ye?
Maku Mole Ye.
Maku Mole Ye.
Ye, Zole. Zole with 2.
Excuse me. Okay. Maku Mole Ye Zole.
How do I say 24? Nengwa Rachel, please.
Maku mole
Yeah.
ye ya.
Wow, well done. Wow. Tata Meka, how do I say 54?
Maku matanu. Yeah.
Well done. See? Very easy. So then you need to remember your units. See? Take note, get this up to 60.
Keep on the list.
The Maku up to 60. From 70, let me just move to 70. The next slide. Prefixes LU, lu. Lusambwa dia, lunana, luvwa. Tata Davidi, how do you say 81, please?
Lunana ye. Let's see. Where's?
He's there.
one?
He's there. Don't worry. He's
Forget
there.
the one.
Yeah, he's there. Everything's there. Lunana ye.
Lunana ye mosi.
Well done. Yeah. Tata Meka, how do you say 94? 994.
Louvois yeah. Louvois
Well
yeah.
done. Well, see, very easy. Nengwa Rachel, how do I say 77?
Lusambuadia
Well done.
ye nsambuadia.
Well done. Everything's there. Nengwa Louise, how do I say 88?
Lunana yenana.
Well done. Okay. Well done. Well, I'm very impressed. 100 is very easy. 100 is very easy. Kama. Yeah, we same thing. Kamazo. Let me. The pattern is the same. Kamatatu. Kamaya. Kamatanu. Here at the bottom, you have tens. Yes. Remember, 100s are there. You don't need to memorize it. Just go to ask a question. Tata Emeka, how do I say 850? Remember, yeah, 100 and then yeah to go
Okay.
to.
Gamma nana yeah. Is a yeah. Wait, what did you say? You said 850?
Yeah. Okay. Let me just make it easy for you. 870. 870.
Okay, 870. Okay. Gamma nana Yekumi Sambwadia. Is that right?
Yeah, good try. Remember, the prefix maku ends here at 60.
Okay. So Gamma nana Ye Maku Sambwadia.
Let's Nengwa Luis.
Okay, you said 870?
Yes, please.
Okay. Kama nana ye lusambuadia.
Well done. Brother Emeka, don't worry. I know you're logic because
I see.
Sometimes confusing.
Yeah.
Always remember we have Maku from here. Maku.
Yes.
Not the start. This is from Maku. Maku to 60.
Yes. And then
From here,
okay.
there's no Maku. Lusambwadia, Lunano. Nengwa Rachel, how do I say 450?
See, okay. Ukama ya ye
Maku.
maku matatu.
What is that? What was the question?
No. No, it's in kama ya ye maku matanu.
50. Yeah, well done. Tata David. 955. Everything is here. Everything is on the screen. Yeah?
Kama vwa ye matano
Maku, maku, maku.
maku matano.
Can you say it again, please?
So kama vwa maku matano. Matano.
Ye. Ye maku matano.
Ye matano.
Ye tano. And then Nengo Luis, how do I say 400? Remember, Maku goes up to 60. How do I say 50? Sorry, 554.
Kama tanu ye maku matanu
Yeah.
ye ya.
Wow.
Maya, ya maya.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
yeah.
Unit, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we okay?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I think we stop here today. Well done, you done well. I'm very impressed. Just remember your units. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambadu, Sambwadia. Then
Nana.
Nana, well done. Nana, Voix,
Voir.
Kumi, 10. Yeah. Then on possessives, we say Ame, mine. Remember, I keep saying we don't memorize like this. Okay, let's say mine easy. You got to understand because sometimes you use for mine, other times not the same thing. Ame, aku, Andy, Ame, mine, aku, yours, Andy.
His or hers.
Help?
Hers.
I need help.
His or hers.
His or hers.
Thank you. Eto,
Ours.
Ours.
Eno,
Yours,
Theirs.
plural.
Au, there.
Ours. Theirs.
Good.
Okay, sorry.
Theirs.
Tutondele. Any question? Well done.
Tondele.
Tutondele.
Thank you, Brother Emeka. I'm very impressed.
Tondele.
Rachel, well done.
Tondele.
Okay, Tutondele. Have a good day. We'll see you next time then.
Salak.
Okay, exercise.
You too.
Quick one. I think Sister Louise is going to help us here. I'm staying, you are going.
Salakyambote.
Okay, the other way around?
Salakyambote.
No,
Winda.
Wenda Kyambote.
Winda Kyambote.
If I were going, you say Wenda Kyambote. So you are going, you saying to me,
Stay well.
thank you very much. See you.
Tondele.
Tondele.